The option of multilinguality is a big advantage of xamoom and is also a very important and big part of the pages. In this video, I will show you how it works, and while also demonstrating the preview option and how it will look like on a smartphone.
By default, all the content will be created under the system language. In this case, that is the English language. Further languages can be added by clicking Add New, positioned right next to it. This will open a drop-down menu with all the currently available languages. If the Add New option does not show up for you, or the list of languages is too long, you should head back to the settings and select the languages you might need and want within your system. Let's go ahead and select a language. After having selected a new language, at the top you can see two link options. The first one, Copy from Primary Language, will copy everything, including the content blocks and all the text and data entered anywhere within the first default language. This makes it very useful and time-saving, as it will save you the time of creating every content block from scratch and jumping back and forth between the languages. All that is left to do now is to translate the text of the content and exchange any links and similar to have the results be properly translated as well. The second option is there for removing a certain language. When you are done with your translations and have the page looking however you want it, you can go ahead and preview how it will look like to the end users. You can see here that I have already prepared a page that is ready for viewing, has a variety of content blocks, and is also translated to other languages. Seeing a preview of how this will look like on a phone is done very easily by clicking the arrow next to the Update Page button and clicking the preview option shown above. As you can see, now a separate window opens displaying the result of the created page. On the top you can see the page title, cover image, some text. Then come the different link types, as well as a calendar entry that can be downloaded if you click on it. Under that is an audio player. You can play and stop the music whenever. After that comes a scaled image, a video that again can be played directly, a map with our location, and a connection to a different page. At the bottom of the page, you can see the language option. This one can be used to preview the other languages selected as well. The content will change accordingly. In general, the page will be displayed in the language of the phone's settings. If that language is not available, the default language of your xamoom system will be used. In our case, that would be English.
Unfortunately, translating is still up to you, but we can at least make it easy on you by removing the need to redo the whole layout again. And to make sure it is exactly as you wanted, we have added the preview option so you can see how the end users will see it as well.
xamoom, joyful discoveries.